What's up guys, I'm Han. Today I'm going to show you guys how a wall spin. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys are warmed up and make sure you guys do it somewhere safe, like a gym if you have one. Like on mats, if you have a bed, you know, sand, anything that's soft guys, so you don't get hit before trying outside. I'm going to show you guys one real fast and we'll get started. Alright, that's a wall spin guys. We'll get started. Okay, so I turn my left way, so if you turn the other way guys, if you go the other way guys, just do everything I say except your way. So the first step is make sure the wall has grip guys. Make sure the wall has grip. So because if you have sweaty palms like I do, you can slip, you know, you don't want to slip, you know. So make sure you find a wall that's grippy, you know. After that, the first step is you want to start at an angle guys. So you can run up straight, but that's harder if you're a beginner. Since you're just starting out, practice it running up at an angle. So you're gonna run up, whatever your pace is, find out whatever your pace is, you go to sprint. You don't really have to sprint, you just get a good run up. So at the angle, so it's not like, not straight, but like you're going a little this way, like an angle. So you're gonna run at the wall, look at the wall. Second step is your hands. Your hands should be facing up like this, or a little bit over here, but up. Your left hand should be facing either this way, sideways, or like this. So he can show you real fast, like that, your hand. And make sure your hands are almost locked. You don't have to have it super straight, but you have a little bit bent just so you can push off at the end, guys. So you don't want to have it too bent. If you have it too bent, guys, you're just gonna run into a wall like that. No. So you're gonna run at the wall at an angle like this. Put your hand down like this. My hand should be up. Left hand. Your arms should be slightly a little bit bent. You know, you don't want it straight, like I said. So after that, guys, you're gonna jump, guys. So basically, when you're running up, I didn't say this, but when you're running up, you're actually gonna jump too. So I forgot to say that. So you're gonna run. Actually, you're running at the angle. You're gonna jump at the wall. So you're gonna plant your hands down. Then, so I forgot to say that, guys. You're gonna jump. After you jump, put your hands down. You're gonna bring in both of your legs up, bent. You know, both your legs. Your knees should be up. And you want to lean that way, guys. That's how you're gonna spin. So you're gonna jump at the wall. Put your hands down. Bring your knees up. Lean that way, guys. After you're going all the way over, your left hand, you should release your right hand. So your left hand should be out, and you want to push off at the end a little bit, out. You should land, and then after that, it's a landing, guys. So after you let go of your right hand, you should be in this position. You should be facing back over here. So land on the ball of your feet, guys. Never flat-footed. Knees slightly bent so you don't hit your legs. So let's go over the steps slowly again, guys. So you're gonna start at an angle, you're gonna run up, you come to run up, you're gonna jump at the wall, place your hands like this, not locked, not straight, a little bit, bent a little bit. Bring your knees up when you jump at it, lean that way, kind of like looking that way too, you know, you're looking that way. Then after you spin, let go of your right hand, push up a little bit, you should land on the bottom of your feet, spot it. Should look nice and sweet, guys. So I'll show you guys one last time. Okay, so hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.